Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. In this video we'll talk about everything that happened in the last 24 hours for Bitcoin. Yesterday we covered it briefly in the emergency update as well, but ever since we have actually continued the bearish momentum, which was what most of us were already afraid of. I mean, yesterday, to do a quick recap, we got a big bearish move quite suddenly. Which most likely was some sort of a fundamental move. So institutions, whales, selling. The volume increase definitely suggests that as well. Even before that, I mean, you can see this sudden bump in volume, like 1, 2, 3 billion was sold in a matter of an hour. Well, that's obviously going to have a price impact. And usually the effects are not amazing if you have a move like this without any big news that caused it, because there was not one big single event that caused it. I mean, we still remember when Binance trading was suddenly gone for a couple of hours. We were quite bearish, right? But there was a reason. And right now there is no big reason, and that could be a reason to be worried. So that's what we'll talk about in the rest of this video. But before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join, but also trade results. All right, so now onto Bitcoin. So the thing is, if we talk about it purely technically, we are really stuck between two worlds, because as you can see, our previous resistance level, or our previous main resistance level, around 28,800, 28,600, that kind of level, is still our support right now. We're still holding that as a support, which is quite bullish, to be honest. But on the other hand, the main support which we created this Monday, around 29,250, is something that we lost, even though yesterday we really tried with all of our power to stay on top of that. So we're stuck. We're stuck. We're neither bullish nor bearish. I mean, in the end, we are still obviously bullish right now, but the trend is unknown in my opinion. So that depends quite a lot. And right now, we could take a look at the dollar strength index, but that's not going to tell us much. The dollar strength index, to be honest, is also moving sideways quite a bit. And it looks like we're getting into some sort of a consolidation between 101.5 and 102.5. And in the end, the move yesterday also was not caused by the dollar strength index, so perhaps it's not the best thing to look at. Now, purely technically, to talk about that a bit more, I think right now we're heading up to our main resistance level, which was our support level yesterday, around 29,300, 29,250. I think we're going to get there. And what we do at that level, I think, is going to dictate the direction and the movement / trend of the market. I think initially we'll definitely find resistance there. But if afterwards we can actually break above that, all right, so break above 29,300, I think we actually have the chance to still be bullish, even though we got this unexpected, sudden, unexplained bearish move. I still think if we now can break above 29,300 and actually stay on top of that, I think we're still bullish. And I still think we can get to like 30,500, and perhaps there's nothing wrong. Now, what would make me worried, and this is 100% realistic, it's a very possible scenario, is if we get up to that level, around 29,300, 29,250, and we find resistance there, and we do not break above that, but instead we break down below 28,700. All right, so then we'll find some support at 28,200, but only to take a break retest, and I think to continue our drop down to 27,500. And at that point, you're going to have to wonder if this is the start of a downtrend. So this hasn't happened yet. I would really say it's like a 50-50 chance of one of those two scenarios playing out. It's just, we'll have to wait. As I said, right now we're in the middle. This is the area we're in. We're neither above support nor below resistance. So we'll have to wait for that. But I'll keep you updated on that. I'll monitor that closely, obviously. But for now, that's my take on Bitcoin. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.